Welcome to this presentation about how to start a medical device clinical investigation in Switzerland. We will start by listing quickly all the applicable laws and regulations before going to the process you need to go through in order to get a medical device clinical investigation approval in Switzerland. We will then review the most important requirements you need to be aware of during the course of a clinical investigation. What are the applicable laws and regulations? This first table shows the laws and ordinances you need to refer to when applying for a clinical investigation in Switzerland. Note that most of these documents are not available in English. I have provided the links to the German versions. All regulatory documents in Switzerland are officially available in the 3 official languages of the country: German, French, and Italian. Any translations provided by the Swiss authorities in English are for the convenience of foreign users, but the legal standard is the German, French, or Italian version. The Swiss health authority is called Swissmedic. What is the process for a medical device investigation approval? Before any clinical investigation, a risk analysis and clinical evaluation of existing data are required. This is the first step of your process, as also outlined in the Medical Device Directives and ISO 14155. Then, the clinical investigation documentation must be prepared in accordance with the Swiss law on clinical investigations, VCLIN, and ISO 14155. Both the Ethics Committee submission and the Swissmedic submission, if applicable, can be done simultaneously. Special notification forms are required for these steps. In Switzerland, you need to differentiate between Category A and Category C trials. Category A trials. For these trials, the investigational devices concerned may be placed on the Swiss market. That is, the CE mark has been obtained, and the devices will be used in the trial as stated in the CE-marked instructions for use. In particular, for example, the relevant indications, contraindication, device settings and precautions must be observed. Such trials are often termed post-market trials. These trials are examined and authorized by the competent Cantonal Ethics Committee. In Switzerland, the Cantonal Ethics Committee also decides alone whether it is acceptable to carry out burdensome additional investigations. Category C trials. For these trials, the medical devices are not CE marked, will not be used in accordance with the CE marked instructions for use, or their use is prohibited in Switzerland. Such trials are often termed pre-market trials. These trials can begin in Switzerland once the authorizations of both Swissmedic and that of the Cantonal Ethics Committee have been obtained. Applications for authorization may be sent simultaneously to the 2 institutions. In regards to ethics committees, there are 13 different committees in Switzerland, each responsible for a region of the country. Note that a centralized procedure applies by using the BASEC online application portal, monocenter and multicenter trials. In case of multicenter trials, the lead EC needs to be determined, and the information for the main research site in Switzerland needs to be uploaded. In addition, the information related to additional local sites needs to be completed as well. Fields will be populated by the system automatically based on the site information you will enter before.